So, hello class. So, I made this recorded video because I don't want to delay my lessons. Okay, as what I've experienced before, ang tendency, malangay ko. Sometimes with my network problem. So, ganyan lang ako, para largo na, di na ma-delay. We can proceed our topic for today. Okay, so tagaan ta mo key points aning World Wide Web and the internet. These two terms sometimes people use this interchangeably, but they are not synonymous. Okay, they are different. There are so many services offered or provided by the internet. Okay, services like email, chat, what else? File transfer services, and of course the World Wide Web, WW. Okay, so the World Wide Web is one of the services provided by the internet. Always keep this in mind na kining si internet class, this is the hardware part. Okay, so as I said earlier in my previous discussion, it is a network of networks. Okay, meaning internet consists of millions of, let's say, public networks, private networks, business, academics, or government networks. Okay, may it be to local to global scope. Okay, that are connected via wired or wireless. Okay, so any networking technologies. So makaingon ta nga si internet is the hardware part. Okay, so it is possible to see, touch, and feel the elements of the internet. Okay, so because it's made up of hardware parts. Okay, it's made up of hardware such as servers, routers, switches, transmission lines, and what else? And towers. Okay, that store and transmit vast amounts of data. So it's a hardware part. Okay, key point number 1. Key point number 2, World Wide Web. Okay, so by the way, as an IT, we are fond of using this shortcuts. Okay, shortcuts. So the internet, we call that as a net, and then the World Wide Web is known as web. Okay, mas taas man i-istorya kung mo yung the World Wide Web. Okay, mo yung tag WW, diba? So we have to use this term web. Okay, web is referring to World Wide Web. Okay, so kining si web class, this is the software part. Okay, ano man, it is a collection of web pages, okay, applications, and other software services, okay, stored on the internet servers. Again, web is a collection of web pages, applications, services that are stored on the internet servers. Okay, servers, saan ni servers? Okay, the server, it is a type of computer. Okay, so by the way, kining atong gipang access ng mga web page, websites, applications, or uban pang mga software services, nagpuyo ni sila sa server. Okay, server is a type of, computer. Okay, it's a type of computer that where let's say web pages, applications are stored. Okay, so siya sab ang mo process, mo serve. Okay, from its word server. Okay, siya mo serve, mo process sa mga gipang request sa clients. Okay, so clients a client is used to refer to it's a typical web users internet connected devices. So kung naa kay computer diha na connected to the Wi-Fi, or naa kay phone na connected to a mobile network, so that is a client. Okay, so again, so I have here in my laptop the definition, another supported details about the World Wide Web. Okay, so see, World Wide Web can be termed as, again, it is a software part. It is a collection of web pages connected through hyperlinks. Kung may tag hyperlinks, kabantay mo na mo visit mo mga any web page, so nanay mga blue nga text nga naka-underline o underline blue text. Okay, that's an hyperlink. Once you click that, it will navigate you to another page, another site. Okay, so again, as I am going to read here in my laptop, the World Wide Web can be termed as the software part. It is a collection of web pages connected through hyperlinks and URLs. Okay, so URLs, of course, every site there is a address. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, that's the address of every site. Okay, sa may address ni Google. Okay, we have google.com, https www.google.com. Okay, that's the address that you're going to type in your web browser. Okay. Okay, so another definition of the World Wide Web. Okay, so there are a lot of definition that that supports, okay, the World Wide Web. So I'm going to read this from my laptop. So World Wide Web, or the web, is a system of hyperlinked documents that can be accessed via the internet using a web browser. Okay, so para maka-access ka sa web, okay, so you need the web browser like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, if you're using Apple. Okay, so Safari and Internet Explorer and Opera, so there are a lot to mention. Okay, so again, each web page may contain links to other pages using hypertext. So mo itong gingon ganiya using hyperlinks. Okay, so same man akong gingon ganiya, it is a collection of web pages, application and services. So mo ni siyang mga definition class. Okay, so can now think that internet, since it is the hardware part, that's what I've said. The internet is all about connecting, linking computers all around the world. Okay, connecting computers, that's the internet. While can you see web class, this is connecting to people, connecting people. How can we connect to other people? Okay, by using this applications we have today. Okay, natin mga application, we visit web page, website, we email them. Okay, so this is something to do with web. So connecting people, that's the web, and connecting computers, that's the internet. Okay, so mora gina yung timailhan, mag-graduate mo, okay, magbinyo na mo pohon, so at least keep this in mind, stock knowledge, kumbaga, nga mora na yung timailhan nga the difference between the internet and the web is the internet is the hardware part. It allows the computers around the world to connect each other, while the web, it is a software part. Okay, connecting to people. How can you connect to people? Okay, by using this web applications. We have this web pages, website. Okay, the services. So it's a software part. Okay, so see, internet is just the linking of computers, your computers to other computers around the world. Okay, transporting the content. So iyang i-transport ang content. Unsa nga content? Asa gikan ang content? Okay, so those are the content or the information from the web. Okay, so asa man na nagpuyo ang mga web, ang mga applications or mga services. So every company na sila yung mga servers ato nagpuyo ang ilang mga, let's say, website na view for public viewing. Okay, sa mga applications. Okay, so I hope nakasabot ra mo aning duha. Okay, because again, sa kong giingon, web is a collection of web pages. Okay, so that's why I introduced this to you, because you are going to create a web page and final project website. Okay, so website, don't make it complicated lang, because a website kaingon mo website lo kalisod. No, this is just a training. Okay, so you're just going to, kung unsa tong inyong nabuhat nga web page, so ato na to siyang iusa, and you can make a website na, because a website is web pages. It composed of many web pages that are related to each other, and then you're going to connect them as one, and that's it. That's your web page, website. Okay, so I guess diri na lang tama ng akong recorded video, and thank you for listening, class.